It was raining that night, not the peaceful kind of rain, the kind that makes everything feel off. I was alone in my room, scrolling through my phone, trying to ignore the silence. That's when it happened. A message popped up, unknown number. I almost ignored it, but something told me not to, so I opened it. "Don't go to sleep yet." I frowned, probably a wrong number. I typed back, "Who is this?" 3 dots appeared instantly, like they were already waiting. "You don't know me yet." A chill ran down my spine. I sat up. "What do you mean?" There was a pause, long enough to make me uncomfortable. Then, "It's 11:42 p.m. for you right now." I glanced at my phone. 11:42 p.m. My fingers froze. "How do you know that?" No reply. Instead, another message came in. "In 3 minutes, your power will go out." I almost laughed.